Hi everyone, welcome back to the Rover YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a table in Google Sheets automatically using Google Apps Script. Before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe Rover YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Okay, let's go to the video. So here to create a new table using Apps Script, you need to click on the extensions, then click Apps Script from this drop down menu. Then you can see this kind of window. I want to create a function called create student table. My function, I'm going to define a function. So I named my function as create student table. Create student table. So this is my function name. Now I'm going to define a constant variable. So I named it as SS. Spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet get active spreadsheet. Right. Then I want to check if student sheet exists. Okay, already exists. Otherwise, I need to create it. So how to do this? Then again, I define a variable let sheet equal SS, means constant variable name that I have already defined. Get sheet by name. Get sheet by name. Open brackets within inverted commas. Student. If sheet is not available, now I am going to create a sheet. So if open brackets and exclamation mark sheet then open curly braces sheet equal ss dot insert sheet student. Now I'm going to define header rows of my table or header values. So how to do this? Comes unst headers equal. Now I am going to define my header. So first one is ID. Then the second header is student name. And the final one is marks. Now header row values are okay. Now I am going to set the header format. So sheet dot get range open brackets then headers dot length headers dot length dot set value headers. Then I am going to format my headers. To format headers, sheet dot get range. One comma 1 comma 1 comma headers length, headers dot length, headers dot length, set font weight, within bracket and open inverted commas, bold. Right. Now logger message, logger dot log, student table created successfully. Now the code lines are done. Now I want to run this code. To run this code, what you should do is just click on this run button, then see what happens. Yeah, you can see message called student table created successfully. So we can go to the existing Google Sheet. Yeah, you can see there is a sheet called student and there is a table called, there's a sheet called student. Now you can see my table columns, ID, student name and marks. So that is how to create very simple table using Google Apps Script. So I think it's clear to you. This is the first lesson of my Apps Script tutorial. So let's meet with another video soon. Thank you very much.